Hi everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. This video I'm going to go over an SRX trade I did. I typically don't do much of anything during FOMC, but I did take this trade in the morning before the FOMC statement. Rates were unchanged, by the way. So this is the SRX levels. If you've seen many of the previous videos, it shows levels with support and resistance, and you get alerts. In this new update, you can see EMAs for puts, and you can see break and resistance levels. At 10:15 Central, you can see the market was at 696 on the beginning of this candle, dropped down to 695.66 or so. So I bought a 695 put, slightly out of the money, bought at 1.28, and then you could see that we got a further drop, and I closed it at 1.48, so $20 per contract. This is the order on Thinkorswim. You can see I entered 5 seconds after. What's interesting and good about this system is I got alerted when the EMA popped up, and then you get alerted again when the candle closes. So once you see the alert happen, you could get more prepared, and then I typically take it when the candle closes. I could have taken it on the previous candle, but I was busy at the time. This would have been an even bigger gain. As you can see, you could have opened around here and closed it down there. For SRX, we have quite a few alerts today. I didn't take most of these just because FOMC is showing a lot of uncertainty in the market about what's going to happen with the Fed levels. Another new update is you can join with QQQ and IWM as well. So we can see a few of these for QQQ. This was an EMA down, and then you can see a further drop. I would have closed out over here. Another EMA down, could have closed down here. So I have quite a few alerts. IWM for small caps, got a few good EMAs. EMA here, could have taken it all the way down to the S3 level. Another EMA down, could have taken this one from 263.76 all the way down to 263.19 or so. So plenty of different alerts here if you're interested. You could join just the SPY levels, but we're also running a promotion the next week. If you do want to look at all three, you get a 7-day free trial. Just join the at least the SPY levels, and then you'll get access to IWM and QQQ in the link that's provided. So if you're interested, see you guys on the Discord. Have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.